Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing from Zara. By the way, if you hear any weird noise, it was my dog snoring in the living room. She is a French bulldog, so sometimes it's hard for me to control her. I do like buying from their website because when I went into the store, oftentimes they have very limited options, especially for items that are on sale. Let's see what arrived today. The first item is I think they call this their wax effect jacket. It does have this waxy feeling to it. Let's look at the lining. I think the lining is cotton lining. It's pretty well made. I'm gonna try it on later, but to show you this, it's kind of almost look like a work jacket. The sleeve has this button adjustment closure thing. That's what I like about Zara is I do think their quality is slightly better than H&M. I do have another order from H&M, so I think it would be good to compare them again and see what's the quality difference. So here's a jacket from today's unboxing, and then I have more items inside. I'm gonna put this away. The second item is this white chino pants. For this one, I really don't have many white pants, so I saw this one was on sale, so I thought I would give it a try. But the quality is not as great as the jacket. I'm not sure if you can see, the fabric is not very thick. It's kind of a thin fabric. Yeah. We'll see how this fits. Definitely the jacket has better quality. And then this is a pair of loafers. I have bought so many boots, but I don't have any loafers. I know most of the loafer I have been seeing on other websites or other company, they are more traditional and they kind of have thin soles. I prefer this kind of chunky sole so that when I walk, it just feels more stable. And I like the grip for this loafers. So it looks pretty good. I don't think this is real leather though. I believe it's just faux leather. It looks pretty good. I'm excited and looking forward to try it on. Something came from H&M today. I haven't been buying their clothes. It has been a while since the last time I bought from them, so kind of want to try it again and see what's the quality. I know recently my shopping has been all over the place. Hopefully it will slow down a little bit because I know that I definitely have been buying too much. I don't know if you have that feeling like after holidays, it seems every company they are doing sales and almost feel like the sales are greater than ever, like better than Black Friday or Christmas. I don't know. Maybe just me wanting to buy stuff and giving myself excuses. But let's continue this unbagging, no box for H&M, so it's a bit challenging to tear this open. I think they are some kind of jeans or chinos or pants. Oh, I mean, I don't remember what I bought. So this is some kind of stretchy jeans, slim denim. So it's their denim jeans. I don't remember on which channel that somebody mentioned that the jeans quality from H&M is pretty good. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll give it a try. And I'm not sure how is the cutting. I have to try on to see how it fits me, but so far, feeling the fabric feels pretty soft. Better than the other white pants I recently bought from ZARA for sure. So I'll have to try on and see how it looks, because the fabric is good or not, it still needs to look good when I'm wearing it, right? And then look like this is kind of a taupey color pants. Some kind of their dressy jogger, I think. It's interesting that it has this stretchy waistband. It does have this drawstring and it's on the inside, so you could hide it and it still you can still dress it as pretty dressy. And I like the details of on the front, how this line kind of elongating your torso and make you look a little taller visually. Since I'm not the tallest, I'm not as tall as models, so always looking for ways to create the illusion of taller height. So I'm going to try it on and see how it looks. I'm going to try on, style it, and see how it looks. So we'll see. So this will be the continuous of my ZARA haul. So both of these, they are from their velour pleated collection. I think this is their sweater or something. Has this really interesting kind of sway-like texture. It's very interesting. It's from their pleated collection, but as you can see, the fabric is not really pleated. It just kind of appears to be like that. It's more like a texture fabric. And then this one is very similar to the blazer I got recently that I have shown you. But this one is kind of more like their overshirt. I actually like this better because they have this sleeve finishing here. Instead of just the other blazer, it just kind of end and cut, that the craftsmanship seems to be questionable. But this one, it looks good, and I like that it's in this deep blue color. I hope it fits, and I'm going to try it on and see if I'm able to style it to show you how they fit on me.